All Grabcessory products come with Lifetime's patented LiveSafe hollow wall anchors and LiveSafe flanges with stud mount hardware. Grabcessories support up to 500 pounds in studs with LiveSafe flanges or hollow walls when securely fastened with LiveSafe anchors into tile, marble, or tub surround on a half-inch cement board. When installing Grabcessories, you first have to determine if you are mounting your product to a hollow wall, studs, or one stud and hollow wall. When mounting your Grabcessories fixture into a stud, you will attach the LiveSafe flange directly into the wall stud for a safe, solid mount. The LiveSafe flange offers a unique hold pattern, which allows you to get 3 screws into a stud. First, locate and measure the wall stud, and mark the desired location of your center hole where you plan to mount the flange. Place the LiveSafe flange over the center hole mark and use a pencil to lightly trace the 3 hole areas that will allow screws to stay within the stud area. Then drill in the 3 screws until the flange is snug to the wall. When mounting to a stud is not possible, the LiveSafe anchor allows your Grabcessory product to easily mount into hollow walls with a safe, solid connection. To install, determine the wall location and measure where you need to mount each connection point for the best position of your product. Mark the area on your wall and drill out a 1 1/4 inch round hole. Once you have created a hole, place the anchor and cup into it. Then with a standard flathead screwdriver, push the anchor in smoothly until the anchor is through the hole and snaps back to the wall. Make sure the thread and nut on the anchor is centered into the hole, and then simply attach the LiveSafe flange over the anchor by inserting the anchor screw through the center hole of the flange and screw into the anchor until snug. Maintain tension on the anchor by pulling the flange plate away from the wall as the screw is tightened. This will help prevent the anchor from rotating behind the wall. Once all flanges are mounted with either a LiveSafe anchor into a hollow wall or a LiveSafe flange into a wall stud, you are ready to mount your Grabcessories fixture. Place each fixture post over the mounted flanges so that the set screws align over the groove of the flange post. While holding back the cover plates on the fixture post, use the Allen wrench that comes with the product to turn each of the 3 set screws around the post evenly until tight. Lastly, snap your cover plates over the LiveSafe flange and you have completed your install. Performance in drywall and all hollow wall substrates may vary due to wall composition and installation methods and materials. The wall material you are mounting your fixture to will determine the weight support of any hollow wall mount. Carefully consider the desired weight support for the fixture and wall substrate before mounting. Also, be sure you know where potential obstacles like wiring and plumbing are in the wall. If you are unsure about your install, consult a professional. A professional installation specialist will have answers to these questions.